Installation of armor deck transit platforms is fast, easy, and cost-effective when compared to traditional building materials. Engineered Plastics begins every platform at the design stage. The engineering and design department can help turn your ideas into plans and then into reality. Armor deck transit platforms use a steel support structure with concrete footings. The platforms are securely fastened to the support structure using steel mounting brackets. The panels are aligned using leveling clips to ensure precise tolerances. Armor Deck, a revolution in platform systems.